Hello webmasters and internet marketers, welcome back to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to check to see how many of your web pages are indexed by the search engines like Google and Bing. Here I am at 4ppo.com. This is a free tool you can use to quickly check your website to see how many pages are indexed. So here I enter in my website, howtowebmaster.com, click submit, and you can see here I have 1,180 pages indexed by Google and 0 indexed by Bing. And this is absolutely brand new to me. I have no idea that my website was de-indexed or banned from Bing search engine. So this is actually the first time I noticed this. A good way to find out the problem, either for Bing or Google, is to use their webmaster tools. So Google have their own Google Search Console, and then Bing also has one for webmaster tools. And here you can see how your website is performing at Bing search engine, but I never have an account here, so I need to make one, and that's why I never got an alert and had no idea that I was banned from their search engine. Anyways, let's try my other site to see how many pages are indexed. So this site right here, 4ppo.com, has about 100 page indexed by Google and over 1,000 page indexed by Bing, and this is a newer website, so I have no idea why Bing is loving it a lot more, or 10 times more than Google. So this is quite interesting. Anyways, check it out. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check it out for your own websites. Thanks so much for viewing, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing and SEO tips, tricks, and tutorials. And until next time, happy marketing.